Good morning, students. This is Miss Loudermilk. I just wanted to give you a little more instruction on Newton's second law activity. Some people seem to be getting a little confused. So when you click into that activity on your screen, I'm not sure, it looks a little different than mine, but you need to go down to the link in Google Docs. There's also another link within that link that says go to https, www. blah, 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 blah. Click on that. Go to the physics simulation. You scroll down and go to these double arrows and click on those. Click start. And then it gives you, your little simulation like you would typically see in class. But actually we would physically be doing this in class. So it says you need to use the simulation to fill out the following chart. So for trial 1, it says the applied net force is 10 newtons. It's already set at 10 newtons. And the mass is 2 kilograms. So we need to move the mass up to 2 kilograms and then push it at the top. Now you'll actually see on the graph what is happening, and then you see what's happening with the box too. So you can reset it for the next trial after you write those things down. And let's go down to number 9. So it says 40 newtons of applied force and 4 kilograms. So go up to fix it to 40, fix it to 4, hit push it. You see what's happening with the velocity time graph. You also see what's happening with the box. So don't forget that you need to kind of draw what you see or explain it in writing and in the actual boxes that we have on there. And then you need to figure out what the acceleration is. So which would be that force divided by the mass. So 10 divided by 2 for number 1 would be 5 meters per second squared. So make sure you don't forget your unit. The units count. So at the very bottom it says explain the relationship between net force, mass, and acceleration in 2 to 3 sentences. And remember, it is 2 to 3 sentences. Don't give me one pitiful, poor little sentence. Give me something that lets me know that you know what's happening. Also, don't start your sentences out with because. And make sure you have periods so I can see what are sentences and what are not. Some of you like to do a full run-on sentence. But that's all right. We still love you guys. If you need anything, just email us again. If this is still confusing, email me or private comment on Classroom, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Bye, y'all. Get outside and enjoy the sunshine.